today we follow some interesting patterns, that is square of 1 plus square of 2 plus square of 2 is equal to square of 3. So square of 1 is 1, square of 2 is 4 and square of 2 is 4, that is 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is 9, which is the square of 3. So it is a very interesting pattern. So how it make? So when we multiply first two base, that is 1 into 2, that is the third base. So 1 into 2, that is 2, therefore the third term is square of 2, and the right hand side, the base is the successor of third term, so it is 2, therefore it is 3, so square of 3, that is 9. So let me try here, square of 2 plus square of 3. So when we multiply this base 2 into 3, when we multiply it, it is 6. So it becomes square of 6. So next term after is equal to, that is right hand side is the successor of this number. So therefore successor of 6 is 7. So here we check that square of 2 is 4, square of 3 is 9 and square of 6 is 36. So it is 4 plus 9 plus 36. So it is equal to 49, which is the square of 7. So now you can try these 4 interesting pattern by yourself.